Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this will be a very short vlog, but let me share our experience while we travel back from Bantayan Island to Cebu City. So if you want to know more details about it, just keep on watching. Earliest schedule that you can book is 3 a.m. with 2 hours interval before the next trip. Total fare already inclusive of terminal fee is 305 pesos. Staying in Santa Fe Beach Club like us, they will offer you a free port drop-off 30 minutes before your scheduled departure. You just have to coordinate with the receptionist the night before your checkout so they can arrange the van and the driver. From Hagnaya Port, you can take the bus going to the city, which travel time is around 3 to 5 hours depending on the traffic condition. Alternatively, there are also taxis available wherein it will only take you around 2 to 3 hours travel time. So if you're traveling with friends, I suggest that it's better to take the taxi. The fare is 3,500, good for 7 persons already, which is actually not really bad given the travel time that you can save. By the way, for our Cebu City stay, we booked our rooms at Cebu, our hotel capital, located near Fuente Osmeña Circle and approximately just 40 minutes of drive going to Mactan Airport. So this is one of the rooms we booked, which is a deluxe room good for 5 persons. So we have here 1 double bed, 2 single beds, and an extra bed on the floor. So for the one night stay, this room cost us 1,900 pesos only with free breakfast already. Not bad, right?
But we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older, done my thinking, me and you. Guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. Through my secret sauce, boo in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
Close that.
The vibe. Yeah, syempre. Sa cellphone mo, be. Ayoko na magpresenta.
Baka ma-hurt. Alam mo na shock ako. Thank you so much. Anong pangalan?
Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you call lacking. Now I'm next door at the party while you jaw jacking. You know it's Rashad and the rarest in the raw fashion. I'm still trying to figure how this all happened, huh?
You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.